Hi everyone! In this video we'll be taking a look at the LOFREE digit calculator and wireless number pad, and I'll be unboxing this. And this is basically what it says. It's a calculator, but it also works as a number pad for a computer. So that's the interesting part of this product, and this was a Kickstarter campaign and I just received it this week and I'm going to be unboxing it. So let's start. Alright, so you can see the back of the box here, sides, front, the other side, and pretty much this opens by taking off this out of it, and then just we have this other box. And before I open it, I just wanted to show you the how it looks on the back and on the front and on the sides and all of that stuff. And now I can open it. So we see here the calculator itself, and we can see that it's big, and when I take it out we can see the numbers here, and it isn't charged. Well, actually it's not charged, it's actually I need to turn it on, but it's not charged as well, so I need to charge it before I can start using it. So pretty much that's about it about the calculator. It has a Bluetooth mode off, on, and this is the micro USB port that it has. So the Bluetooth is to connect it. Oh, it turned on. Maybe it takes a while to turn on. So I actually put it in Bluetooth and it turns on. Interesting. That's really interesting. I wonder why it did not turn it on when it was in the on position, because it says clearly there that it's the on position, but it didn't turn on. So no, I don't know, but yeah, this is the calculator itself. And let's see, we have here the warranty card, I think it is. Usually the small ones are for warranty information or telling that it passed QC, QA, all of that stuff. And this is the instruction manual, which is in Chinese, and here it is in English. Oh, that's why it wasn't turned on. So it says toggle to on, activate the wired mode. So that's why it wasn't working. Toggle to Bluetooth mode, activate Bluetooth mode. Long press 3, the combination key to connect to Bluetooth with up to 3 devices, and so on. Wired mode connection, connect to the computer with USB and turn on. So it's multifunctional. Net fan key combination, and so on. Charging. Wow, it's feature packed. So not only it's Bluetooth, but it also works wired. And we have here the this is an extra key, an X. It only came with an X to change this one. Wow. And we have the USB, the micro USB cable here as well for charging and to connect to the PC. So pretty much that's all that comes with the LOFREE calculator and numeric pad. So we have the calculator itself, we have the micro USB cable, and we have the manual and the warranty card or satisfaction card. I don't know what this actually means, but probably it's the warranty card. And that's it. That's all that comes with it. So yeah, I hope you like this unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.